You're taught to fear the loud villains. But the real danger? The ones who never raise their voice, never show their teeth, never reveal the knife they're holding behind their silence. You've met them before, that calm friend, that quiet coworker, that polite stranger whose stillness feels off. You can't explain it, but your instincts know. Something in them is studying you. And here's the truth no one admits. The most powerful people you'll ever meet won't compete, won't argue, won't defend themselves. They survive through 10 silent tactics Machiavelli understood long before any self-help guru existed. By the time you realize they're controlling the room, you're already playing their game. This isn't about manipulation. It's about survival in a world where everyone pretends to be harmless. Machiavelli knew something most people never learn. Power doesn't show itself. Power watches. Power waits. Power survives by staying 2 moves quieter and 5 moves deeper than everyone else. These 10 silent rules aren't written in books. They're felt. They're passed down through instincts, wounds, and careful observation. And if you don't understand them, you will be used by someone who does. Today, you learn the tactics silently shaping every room you walk into, and how the modern Machiavellian uses them to build fortune, loyalty, and untouchable one. They let others talk first. You speak to express yourself. They speak to expose you. A silent operator waits, not out of respect, but to gather intel. Every overshare becomes leverage. Every unnecessary detail becomes a map of your weakness. And you never notice, because they make silence feel comfortable, even safe. 2, they stay unclear on purpose. They never tell you their next move, one day warm, one day distant. Not randomness, calibration. The less predictable they appear, the more predictable you become. Uncertainty forces your mind to orbit theirs, trying to decode what isn't meant to be decoded. Ambiguity isn't confusion, it's control. 3, they never show their real goal. Their smile isn't agreement. Their silence isn't weakness. Their compliment isn't loyalty. Everything you see is a reflection, not a revelation. A modern Machiavellian hides intent until it's already too late for anyone to stop it. 4, they watch how you treat the invisible people. They don't care how you act when you're winning. They care how you act when you think no one valuable is watching. Your quick judgment, your subtle disrespect, your little flexes, that's where your character leaks. And once they see your real nature, they know exactly how to move around you. 5, they use silence as a weapon. Not the silence of fear, the silence of calculation, the silence that makes your heart beat louder, your voice rush faster, your insecurity shine brighter. People reveal more trying to fill silence than they ever reveal trying to sound honest. 6, they reward loyalty with distance. When they help you, they never help twice. They make their presence rare so their value feels essential. Dependence forms quietly. You lean, they step back, and suddenly your stability is tied to someone you barely understand. Absence becomes influence. 7, they break patterns. When it counts, just when you think you know them, they switch tempo. They delay a response. They escalate a boundary. They go colder than expected. Pattern interruption creates psychological authority. You fear what you cannot predict. 8, they create echoes instead of arguments. Someone attacks them? They don't defend. They don't explain. They let the accusation hang in the air until the accuser looks unstable for even making it. Silence turns enemies into performers, and performers always overplay. 9, they build masks with small cracks. Perfect people aren't trusted. Flawed people aren't forgotten. So they show 90% calm and 10% darkness. A controlled slip, a sharp sentence, a flash of depth, enough to make you wonder how much more is hidden. Wonder becomes fixation. Fixation becomes influence. 10, they leave before you expect them to. They don't slam doors, they vanish. Not out of weakness, out of strategy. Because the strongest imprint isn't made by presence. It's made by the space someone leaves behind. People fear leaving a bad impression. The silent Machiavellian fears leaving no impression. You're starting to see the pattern. Power is not what's shown. Power is what's withheld. Every tactic builds on the same principle. Control the frame, and you control the outcome. Because the person who doesn't rush, doesn't reveal, doesn't compete, becomes the person everyone else adjusts to. And once people adjust to you, the game is already won. If this opened a part of you most people never get to see, keep going. There's more depth in you than the world gives you room for. Subscribe because the next video exposes the psychological weapons people use without realizing it. The ones you're surrounded by every day. Your power doesn't start when people notice you. It starts when you stop explaining yourself. Stay silent. Stay dangerous. Stay ahead. The world worships the loud, but it quietly obeys the unseen.